Hey everyone, so welcome to my session. In this session, I'm just going to solve one question which was asked in GATE 2017 in electronics and communication paper, right? So this question is going to be from mathematics basically. So this session is for everyone, okay? I mean, this video is meant for all the branches, those who are going for computer science, data science and AI, electrical engineering, electronics engineering or instrumentation, mechanical, civil, you name any branch wherever mathematics exists. So this session is for everyone, right? So you're going to learn something which I always cherish to share, okay, among everyone, right? Okay, so I'm just going to tell you how to solve questions in very less time. The question that I have chosen here is this. Okay, so I was just randomly walking through GATE 2017 paper. Just I was making some analysis that okay, so that I can predict something for GATE 2025, okay, to larger audience. So I got to see that this question was there. Passenger try repeatedly to get seat reservation in any train running between two stations until they are successful. Okay, if there is 40% chance of getting reservation in any attempt by the passenger, okay, then the average number of attempts that the passenger need to make to get a seat reserved is, okay. So then I started scribbling, right? I thought how to solve this question quickly. So I when I started solving the question, I got the answer in 10 seconds, right? Or you can say 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So I just want to share that logic, okay? And this kind of question already has been asked in GATE 2024 also, in GATE Data Science and AI, and in electronics. This kind of questions are most likely to be asked, okay? The average number of attempts, average expectation, these kind of questions, okay? So let us try to solve this question, okay? So here you have to first of all keep in mind that you should know that what is the probability of getting a reservation. So that is given as 40%, right? So probability of getting reservation is nothing but what you can say that reservation, okay, is going to be 40%. 40% means 40 by 100, which is nothing but 4 by 10. You can say that that is 2 by 5. Probability of not getting a reservation, you can say, is nothing but 3 by 5, because 1 minus 2 by 5 you can say. So these information is given, okay. I believe this is fine to everyone. Now what they are saying is you have to find the average number of attempts that the passenger need to make to get a seat reserved, okay. So you have to keep on trying until you get the reservation, okay. So I'm just going to consider that x is the average number of attempts, you can say, okay. Let me say that x is going to be the average number of attempts that you have to make, okay, until you get the reservation, right? So let us say we have made first attempt, and in very first attempt we haven't got what we haven't got the reservation. So what we will do, we will go again, okay, we will again make the same number of attempts, same x number of attempts, but one attempt already you have made, right? That attempt has gone wasted. I hope this makes sense. So let's say that you have made the attempt, you haven't got the reservation, okay. So what is the probability of not getting this reservation? That is 3 by 5. Now you have to make how many attempts again? So average is x. Certainly you have to make x number of attempts, okay, until you get the reservation. But one of the attempt you have already wasted here, right? So you have to write x plus 1, okay, plus. That is the first scenario, you can say, okay. Now the second scenario is going to be what? Let's say you made the attempt, you got the ticket, you got the reservation, I mean to say. So only one attempt is needed, okay, to get the only one attempt is needed, right? So you can say that you got the, what is the probability of getting reservation? That is 2 by 5, and you got the reservation, right? Only one in one attempt, okay. So these are the two scenario that you will get okay, in this question. I hope this makes sense. What is my assumption here is x is the average number of attempts that you have to make, okay. Now in first trial, you can say that you made the attempt, but you haven't got the reservation. So you are going to again make x number, average number of attempts again, like x number of attempts, right? But one of the attempt already you have done, already you have made, that has gone wasted, or that is wasted, you can say. This kind of question was asked in GATE 2024 in data science and AI, and already this kind of question has been asked in electronics paper. So we hope to get the same concept again in GATE 2025, right? So now you have to simply solve this equation. I think anybody can solve this equation, right? So you just take 5 this side, so that is 5x equal to 3x plus 3 plus 2. Now you can just solve this. Okay, so what is this? This is nothing but 2x equal to 5. So x is going to be 2.5. So answer for this question is nothing but 2.5. Okay, and the range which was given from 2.4 to 2.6. Okay, so many of you might get lost into this kind of question. First of all, the moment you look at the question, you might find, oh my god, how to solve this kind of a question. Okay, or you might get lost into series or something. Okay, but you see, simply solving one equation, that is nothing but a linear equation. Okay, so if you want to learn this kind of approaches, okay, so you guys can reach out to me directly on my WhatsApp number, or keep subscribing this YouTube channel, share among everyone. I never say to this, okay, like you have to subscribe or something, but yeah, if you find it useful, okay, it is helping you to increase your learning horizon, right? So you guys can consider subscribing it and suggest among your juniors and among your friends. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.